Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need JDK 11 Plus and the Android SDK available. Once installed, set Android Home or Android SDK root so tools find the SDK. Next, open VS Code and install the emulator extensions. Make sure the extension pack is enabled. Also install either Android Studio or the standalone SDK tools, because you need emulator images and SDK Manager to accept licenses. Run SDK Manager licenses and accept them now. These steps let you create AVDs and connect VS Code to the emulator. Once the SDK and tools are ready, use AVManager list to view devices, then create an AVD with a matching system image. You can also open Android Studio AVD Manager for a GUI. Choose an x86 or x86-64 image for best speed and set RAM to about 1,536 MB unless you need more. Make sure graphics uses hardware if supported. Otherwise, use SwiftShader. Then test launching the emulator from the command line with your chosen args so VS Code can attach. Start the emulator before launching from VS Code. Once running, open your project and add or select a launch configuration that targets the emulator or device. If using Flutter, use the device picker. For native Android debugging, use the debug panel and pick the emulator. Once attached, set breakpoints and hot reload or deploy. If something fails, try a DB kill server and a DB start server, confirm a DB and emulator are in path, and make sure ports and virtualization are enabled. This fixes most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.